Marvi Well, Tharparkar, Sindh, Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Today we will take you to the Thar Desert in Sindh, Pakistan. We will show you Marvi Well. But before we move any further, I would like to tell you the famous folk love story of Umer Marvi associated to this well. Umer Marvi is one of the 7 tragic love stories that has been immortalized to this day in Pakistan. Marvi was born in a village called Bhalwa in the Thar Desert. Since birth, Marvi was very beautiful. As she grew in her age, she grew in her beauty too. Stories of her beauty spread far and wide until they entered the palace of Umer court. Umer Sumra was the ruler of Thar at that time. He was highly intrigued and he wanted to see her, to believe what he had heard. He entered her village in disguise with one of his friends. That very moment, Marvi also came out to fetch water from the well. He approached her as a thirsty traveller. Bedazzled by her striking beauty, he wanted to possess her. As Marvi came near him, he immediately pushed her onto his camel and rode back to Umer court. At the palace, Umer proposed her for marriage. He promised to make her reigning queen. She was enticed, bribed, even threatened. Umer tried everything in the world to prove his inclination towards her. None of this shook Marvi's resolve. She loved her cousin Kith, who was handsome and loyal. This infuriated the king, and he imprisoned her for more than 6 months. Marvi declined all the ornate jewelry, elaborate clothes, food and royal status. Eventually, Umer was deeply moved by Marvi's strong determination, modesty and patriotism that he was obliged to set her free. Marvi's well is in the Thar Desert, about 450 kilometers from Karachi. This is the well where King Umer Sumra first saw Marvi. As soon as we entered the premises, we were welcomed with live music played by local musicians Juma Khan and Fakir Kash Keli. This added life to this otherwise barren and dry place. Tourists and locals visit the well throughout the year. Some of the locals actually believe the well is blessed. They think the water would cure any illnesses. During the cold winter, the water is warm and cooler in the summer. Our children Fatma and Ibrahim enjoyed drawing water out of the well. It was a fascinating and enriching experience for us all. You will find a small display of handicrafts, ornaments and traditional shalwar kameez inside a small museum right next to the well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and stay tuned for lots and lots of more informative and exciting videos from Marvels of Pakistan. यही वीडियो उर्दू में देखने के लिए विजिट करें हमारा चैनल Marvels of Pakistan. शुक्रिया.